All right, here we go with the April 6th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. There's a look up in the high country. That's the Beach Mountain Parkway cam. 37 degrees there with the southwest wind cranking, so not nearly as chilly up that way as what we had yesterday morning when temperatures were in the teens. There's Winston-Salem State University, temperature there in Winston-Salem sitting at 44 degrees early this morning. And there's a good looking shot of the Queen City. Dowd YMCA camera starting off this Friday morning with a temperature of 45 in Charlotte. These were highs yesterday. A bit of a cool weather setup, but not a bad day at all. Temperatures today will be milder, but some clouds will be building in as we get deeper into the day. Upper 50s and lower 60s yesterday around the Triad area. Lower 50s in the mountains for the Charlotte zones yesterday, and then a lot of low to mid 60s across the Piedmont yesterday. All right, temperatures this morning. Chilly in many spots, not quite as cold as yesterday, but still the jacket's probably needed as you work your way out the door. Radar, satellite, pretty quiet, although we do have some clouds building in. You look west of us, raining in the Tennessee Valley region of North Alabama, down toward Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, some showers, Tupelo, Mississippi, some showers, and then back from there into Arkansas and the Red River Valley region of Texas and Oklahoma, having some early day showers breaking out, and that's the very beginnings of our next storm system. Low pressure near the Texas and Oklahoma Panhandle regions taking shape, and that's going to be our big weather player tonight through Saturday night. Notice Futurecast blossoming the rain and storms off to the west of us, and then that system pulls in here as we get into tonight, Saturday, and exiting Saturday night. So ahead of that system, sunshine giving way to clouds today. The mountain zones could pick up a few late afternoon showers, and then tonight showers become possible across the Piedmont areas as that cold front drops in from the north. Now look at the big thunderstorms firing this afternoon. This is the high resolution modeling, the future radar product as you go through Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, western Mississippi. Some big time thunderstorms developing, and there's a significant threat of severe weather in those areas today, especially from central Mississippi back into eastern Texas, where an enhanced risk of severe weather is out for today. It'll be milder today than yesterday, but clouds will build in as we progress deeper into the day. All right. As we get into your Saturday, challenging temperature day, challenging forecast overall. Rain will be around at times. How much rain, exactly the timing of the rain, it's still really quite uncertain due to the nature of this storm system. Just let me give you a for instance. Here's the Futurecast temperatures for the Triad, and this is daybreak Saturday, and notice as we get deeper into the day, we could be in the upper 30s in parts of the northern Piedmont by Saturday afternoon. Rain totals, this is the latest run of Futurecast. It still looks like could be a little bit of a minimum in parts of the upstate into the Charlotte region, but still, I think a half inch is a good possibility. Heaviest totals up toward the I-40 corridor. Thunderstorm potential, that's kind of relegated off to the coastal plain of North and South Carolina. There you can see the unstable air south and east of Columbia over toward Wilmington and Cape Hatteras, and that's where you have a threat of severe weather tomorrow and tomorrow night. Now, let me show you a Futurecast kind of focused in here across North Carolina. And notice at the tail end of the event, you see some snowflakes trying to get involved in northern parts of North Carolina. The European computer model has had that basic scenario in play the last run or two as well. Now, let me show you verbatim what the model is printing out, and I'll show you the more detailed modeling in just a second. But there's the European model snow totals. There is Futurecast. I think snow potential in terms of accumulation, very limited. In the Piedmont zones of North Carolina, again, we're talking I-40 and points north. The ground will be wet. The ground is mild. But just don't be shocked if you see some snowflakes flying Saturday evening in parts of the region. Sunday, sunshine, plenty of it. Sunday remains the pick weather day of the weekend. There's our high temperatures Sunday afternoon. All right, let's take a look at the more detailed modeling here. This is the European model. This is early Saturday afternoon. And then as you get into Saturday evening, you see some of that mixed precipitation trying to work into northern North Carolina, and then out the system goes Saturday evening. European ensemble here. This is the ensemble mean snow totals. And again, I think you need to take these with a grain of salt. I don't think the accumulation potential is all that great due to warm and wet ground conditions, but that's what the ensemble mean was showing. And here's the, that was the control run of the European ensemble. This is the ensemble mean. Again, some snowflakes flying, but I don't think the accumulation potential is especially great. This is the Canadian model, the global model, Saturday early afternoon, Saturday early evening, and then Saturday night the system pulls away. We'll look at the regional Canadian, which oftentimes does well with wintertime systems. That is a look at late Saturday afternoon, and you can see as we head into Saturday evening, again, that potential for a little burst of snow temporarily there in the northern sections of North Carolina. GFS model, again, this is Saturday early afternoon. Saturday evening is right here. Same deal. Northern North Carolina could have a little burst of snow at the tail end of this system as it pulls away. Finally, 3 kilometer NAM. Mid-afternoon Saturday, and then into Saturday early evening. Again, northern North Carolina, there's your chance for that little burst of snow. Kind of a novelty, not a huge deal, but just don't be shocked if the northern part of the state ended in some snow. Again, I think the significant accumulation potential very, very limited. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the video. Everybody have a wonderful weekend. Again, Sunday definitely the pick weather day of the weekend. Have a great one, and God bless.